Hello everybody, so in today's video I'm going to be telling you how Mr. Russell plots out his odds graph in QQQ live. Now first of all, starting out with the normal price range, you guys see the 50% odds right here, 50% odds right here. That marks out the normal price range. We actually have that plotted out on our TOS charts. There you go. Now you must be seeing this normal price range. Now you must be wondering that how I can use this normal price range. So first of all, this price range can only tell you the breakout levels and actually the consolidation levels. Okay, now you must be wondering, what do I actually mean by consolidation levels? So basically, some days we actually see consolidation. So most of the time you will see that the price will stay in this normal price range. You won't see a breakout from that. Okay, just like we have the IV peaks, we consolidate around that range. So it's similar concept to that, but we actually have a bigger range. Okay, depends of what kind of volatility we see. Of course, we will see more examples in our QQQ live, and then you guys can actually note that out if you want. Okay, now you must be wondering, where did this last line of defense price came from? There you go, right here. We actually had the 485.29 to 486.08 outliner range. Now why was that an outliner range? So basically the odds near the 20% marks the outliner range. Okay, just put that in your brain. That is the outliner range we need to look at. 20% to 10% is the ideal outliner range. Okay, next we have the price, or you can say the frequency intersection right here. Okay, we actually have that plotted out on our charts, on our TOS charts right here. That is the frequency intersection 482.02. Now you must be wondering, why did I mark that out? See, the intersection of the frequencies actually acts as a price magnet. Okay, price gets attracted to it. Price, you must be seeing, if you actually just track the QQQ live, that you actually see intersection of the frequency price 482.02 2 to 3 times, okay, daily. Now why? Because price wants to stay near the intersection. It actually acts as a magnet, as simple as that. So basically it's very important. Now you must be wondering that, oh, where did we get this 88.28% odds, 88.24% odds for 81.54? Okay, now we actually have the odds section right here. Now this is one of the most useful stuff I have ever seen in my life. So for our day, we actually had the odds 41.54, 88.24% chance that we actually form the low of the day below the 481.54 mark. But as we opened, we did not see price reaching that 481.54 mark. So like, you must be wondering that, okay, this can be an opportunity for me to take puts, right? And we actually saw a beautiful move for the puts on the P479 for 28th of June 2024. That gave us a 500% gain on this trade. See how useful these odds can be? Yeah, I know you get it. So basically, now we're gonna move to the Monday graph so that you guys can actually get another example of these graphs. Okay, great. So basically, first of all, you guys must be noticing that we actually have a very big normal range. So what does that tell you? That basically screams at you that we might see a bigger volatility day on Monday, which is, okay, it basically just tells you that we can actually see a range in this, but it can be big, it can be playable, right? And we actually have the intersection of the two frequencies, which is the red and green right here for 79.28, and then we marked out the outliner range. Here I used the 5% chance outliner range because I saw that it's very near to the normal price range. So basically it just tells you that you might not see a move above that. So there was no point for me to actually mark the 20% out because it could have been near here. So I went for the total outliner, which was the 5% range right here, 487.93 to 488.75. And same I did for the support levels. I marked out that only 5% chance that we break this support. I'm gonna be showing you on our charts right here. Beautiful. So we have the chart right here. You can see that normal range is pretty big, so it tells you we can have good volatility, a good range for Monday, right? We have the intersection, we have the outliner range that I marked out on my chart. You can actually match the levels by rewinding the video. Same we did for the outliner range right here. I actually marked out for the support also. Simple, very useful and effective method of using the odds graph, right? You can actually just copy these levels out and use these for Monday, as I just basically copied that out from the odds graph. So I did not do any kind of rocket science right here. You can actually do the same thing if you want and match the same levels if you want to verify. Okay, so I think so this will be the end of the video. This was a very small video. I just wanted to tell you about the QQQ live, because like we see many people, almost 10 to 12 people every single day in the QQQ live, who are just wanting to make some money. So I just wanted to make some things clear for those guys, so that they can actually just have better clarity of what they see on those charts. Okay, so I hope that you all have a great trading week and have a good day. Stay safe.